Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping. But before, why do Google Play service keep stopping? There are several potential causes for this error. First, outdated Google Play services. Second, corrupted data or cache. Third, network connectivity issues. And fourth, insufficient storage space. Now that we understand the potential causes of the issue, let's explore the various solutions to resolve the Google Play service have stop error. Here are some of the remedies on how to fix Google Play services keeps stopping. First, restart your phone. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches, including issues with Google Play services. Restart your Android device and check if the problem persists. Second, remove and add Google account again. Sometimes, re-adding your Google account can resolve conflicts that may have arisen with Google Play services. Go to Settings, then tap on Accounts, and remove your Google account. Afterward, add the account back and view if the error is resolved. You now know how to remove Google Play services keeps stopping. Third, update the Play Store and Google services. Keeping your Google Play Store and Google services up to date is crucial. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Google Play services, and check for any available updates. Similarly, update the Google Play Store app as well. Fourth, change from cellular data to Wi-Fi. Switching between cellular data and Wi-Fi connections can sometimes help with network-related issues. Try connecting to a different network and check if the error persists. Sixth, check your phone storage. Ensure that your device has sufficient storage space. Go to Settings, then Storage, and clear unnecessary files or apps to free up space. And sixth, clear Google Play service data. Clearing data and cache for Google Play services can resolve corruption issues. Go to Settings, then Apps, then find Google Play services and select Storage. Tap on Clear Data and Clear Cache. And last, use Gbox instead. Gbox is a third-party app that offers a viable alternative to Google Play services for Android users. It aims to provide similar functionalities while offering additional features and customization options. So, if Google Play services keep stopping Android, you can use this alternative. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.